Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we need to open the settings. And here let's scroll down and find App Management. Then let's go to Special App Access. And here at the top we've got the option Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, from a specific browser, not from the Play Store. So just tap on Chrome and tap on this the switcher next to allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome now is allowed to install some content, but be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher next to allow from the source, and as you can see, the Chrome is not right now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.